Thousands of years ago in Asia, people cooked with clay and ceramic type ovens. This type of cooker found its way to the U.S. after World War II as thousands of servicemen brought them home. Americans began to discover its advantages for barbecue. The Sapphire grill and smoker is an innovative modern design of this ancient type of cooking. The performance and flavor of food from a Sapphire grill is nothing short of amazing. They'll reach up to 700 degrees for high temperature grilling and searing, or hold temperatures for hours for slow smoked barbecue. You can even use the Sapphire as a wood-fired pizza oven. Now you don't need a grill, a steel smoker, and a wood-fired pizza oven costing thousands of dollars. You can get all three in one Sapphire grill. Next, we'll show you how the Sapphire grill will help you master the art of barbecue like no other type of grill can. The Sapphire grill is made with heavy-duty, high-temperature ceramics. These ceramics are coated with a beautiful baked-on glazed finish. These ceramics are actually 2 layers thick. The outside of the grill is made of 1-inch thick ceramics, and then down inside you've got a firebox with another layer of ceramics. The ceramics, along with this gasketed seal, really make the grill tight and efficient. This efficiency does wonderful things for us because now the grill doesn't need much heat to operate. Because it doesn't need much heat, that means we're going to use less charcoal and we're going to need a lot less air flowing through the grill. Because of its efficiency, the Sapphire grill is going to require a lot less charcoal usage. You'll probably be using only 1/2 to 1/4 the amount of charcoal you would need in a regular steel smoker or regular grill. Imagine, if you will, a great big steel smoker. They're very large, a lot of surface area, not very well insulated, and this radiates a lot of heat, so it's going to require a lot more charcoal and a lot more air flowing through to keep it hot. With the Sapphire grill compact design and the efficiency, you need very little air or charcoal usage, and so that's one of the things that makes the Sapphire so much more efficient and able to preserve the moisture in your food. Because it takes so little air to operate the Sapphire, we're actually turning this down so there's very little air going through, and with very little air going through, there really isn't much flare-ups. In fact, it pretty much completely stops flare-ups at regular cooking temperatures unless you're cooking very hot. This is really nice because you can walk away from your grill and not worry about flare-ups. It also keeps the temperatures of the grill from running away on you. The Sapphire grill holds the temperature very evenly. You can walk away and know that your temperature is not going to fluctuate very much. On a gas grill, there has to be plenty of air coming in for the burners to work properly. So on most gas grills, you'll look at the bottom and you'll see large air openings for air to flow into the burner so it can work right. These air openings obviously allow a lot of extra air to flow into the grill, and so this is another point of air flowing through, drying out the food more, and also eliminating the ability to stop the flare-ups unless you get out a water bottle and squirt it. So that's another of the nice things with the Sapphire now. We have a completely controlled environment there with no extra air flowing through, and that's another reason that the food doesn't dry out so much and preserves the moisture for you. Our ceramic construction gives us another real nice feature, and that is the safety. With the thick ceramic walls of the grill and the double layer down below, we run a much cooler exterior temperature, which makes the grill much safer. Children can touch the grill. It can be very hot, but not enough to burn most of the time, so it's a much safer exterior temperature. Because it's efficient, the outside stays cool, but the inside is still hot. So this is giving another benefit. With the inside of the grill hot, we get a self-cleaning feature. It keeps the exterior wall, or the walls of the ceramics, much cleaner. Those high temperatures keep the buildup burned off, and it also works on the cooking grids. The buildup of residue on the cooking grids can also be burned off. When the grill is started, the grill gets very hot and will burn that off. So very easy to maintain, very low maintenance. The Sapphire grill uses natural lump charcoal. Natural lump charcoal is made of natural hardwoods. Oak, hickory, other types of hardwoods turned into charcoal. You can see, many times you can actually see the bark texture still on the wood. Because it isn't ground up and condensed so into such a dense briquette, it lights much easier. And you can get very high temperatures or cook very low and slow with it, and it works great both ways. But you can use little firelighter squares or use an electric charcoal starter, and you can have natural lump charcoal ready to cook on in about only 10 to 15 minutes. So you can get at your cooking project very quickly, no delays for dinner. The ceramics on the Sapphire grill are really made to last. We've really put them to the test. We've run them up over 1,000 degrees, buried the needle on the thermometer, and actually shot water right on it with no breakage. We've put water on the ceramics and then put them out in below zero temperatures without any breakage. So they've really been through the test and are really proven. Limited lifetime warranty on the Sapphire ceramics, and to go along with that, we've got all high quality stainless steel hardware and accessories. Starting on the cart, we have a tubular stainless steel cart. The nice thing about this is that it's lightweight because it's tubular, but it's very strong, very sturdy, so you can move it around and very confidently. We have locking caster wheels on the cart also, so you can lock your grill into position. Moving up from there, we have our air control door, which again is stainless steel. The air control on the top of the grill is also stainless steel. This is actually cast stainless steel. You can see how heavy duty this is. This cast stainless steel is really built to last. All of the rest of the hardware you'll see, all of the bands, the hinges, all of the hardware holding the shelves on, all high quality stainless steel. Whether it's the ash tool or any of the other parts on the grill, you'll find the highest quality stainless. All of the hardware, pretty much everything down to the nuts and bolts, is all high quality stainless steel. So you've got a grill where the whole package is made to last. One of the other things about the grill, again, a high quality stainless steel cooking grid. The bars on the grid are fairly close together so your food doesn't fall through. We've even added an access door so you can get in to the charcoal. Should you want to get in and adjust your charcoal or add wood chunks, you're able to do that. So from top to bottom, the Sapphire grill is built with quality and all the best stainless steel for years of corrosion-free use.